What is going on YouTube? It's North Main Guide here, and I am out fishing today. And I've been out fishing for Spanish mackerel in the ocean, and I was on my way back home, and I decided to pull into a little marsh area, place I come to a lot to fish for reds, and come in here and have a pipe and make a quick video. Beautiful day outside. They were calling for thunderstorms all day, but they were wrong. And so I have really enjoyed my day. And Zippos are lifesavers out here. The windproof lighter. This is one of my favorite spots to come to when I come here to redfish, fish for red drum. And I'll pull back in here, and I've got a little channel that comes through behind me here, and then it feeds out into like a subsidiary of or tributary rather, of the Intercoastal Waterway, and then that feeds into the inlet. So lots of bait fish get back up in here, and then of course these predatory fish come in and feed behind them. So we have tremendous success fishing for blues and red drum back here, and flounder. A lot of people like to come out here and flounder gig at night as well. And I catch them on rod and reel every once in a while, but not as common. I'm on the water, so of course I have my cob. I'm not going to risk a expensive pipe to the salt water, and a country gentleman will do just fine. Smoking one of my everyday blends, Irish Mist. David and Sons, our local tobacconists. One of their blends. What are you up to today? Hope you guys are having a good day. Just thought I'd pop in, share the beautiful scenery with you. Take you on a quick go around here. What y'all think? Can't beat that. It's even prettier when the tide's out. The tide's at low tide right now. So it is draining out. I will be getting out of here soon. Fish jump right over there. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy hump day. Here's to you. Hope you get through the week with no troubles. See you Friday.